In this video, we will create a quick but beautiful cityscape illustration. This tutorial is suitable for both beginners and more advanced users. Let's get started. Transform your Procreate projects with more than 4,000 brushes, fonts, textures, and 3D models available in the Brush app. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to access them now. Choose a light green color and drag it onto the canvas. Then, go to the palette and select a slightly darker green color. We are going to create a gradient. Tap on Adjustments, select Gaussian Blur, and drag the slider to 94% for a softer effect. Tap on Layers, then Plus, and on the new layer, select Drawing Assist from the menu. This will help us draw only straight lines. Choose a cooler shade of green. Select the untitled brush and start drawing the silhouette of skyscrapers, making sure to extend the lines to the edge of the canvas and making them one continuous line. Drag the color onto the lower part to fill it with color. Create a new layer. Tap on Drawing Assist. Choose a darker, cooler shade of green and draw the silhouettes of buildings without repeating the shapes of the previous buildings. Again, fill it with color. Create another layer. Remember to tap Drawing Assist. Choose an even darker green and draw more building silhouettes. Fill them with color. Add 2 more layers. Repeat the same steps, using a darker color for each layer. Let's make our illustration more interesting by adding details. Go back to the first layer with buildings. Hold your finger on the canvas to pick the color of the buildings. Draw fences on some rooftops. Add protruding window profiles to make the facades less flat. Vary the details. You can add fire escapes or antennas on the rooftops. Repeat these steps for each subsequent layer, always picking the color of the buildings before adding details. Now we have a beautiful cityscape. Create a new layer and draw the sun. Draw any circle without lifting the pencil from the canvas. Tap on the screen with your finger to adjust it to a perfect circle. Open the circle menu and move the sun slightly higher. Fill it with the same color. Let's add a glow to the sun. Duplicate the sun layer. Tap, transform, increase the size, then go to Layers, tap N, and reduce the opacity to 63%. Tap Transform again, and center the semi-transparent circle relative to the upper circle. Duplicate the semi-transparent circle layer and reduce the opacity to 41%. Go to Transform, increase the size, and center it. Next, tap on Adjustments, select Gaussian Blur, and set it to 18%. Go to the second circle layer and set it to 15%. Let's add some more details. Create a new layer and add stylized clouds. Choose a light green color and draw straight lines, holding your finger on the canvas. Draw the following line close to the previous one. This is our beautiful illustration. Like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos.